Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. On a weekly time frame chart, you can see that Bitcoin has broken out this falling wedge pattern. And even before breaking out this falling wedge pattern, I've been showing you this move and I've been telling you that once Bitcoin will be able to break out this wedge, then target for this breakout will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at $70,000. And you can see that after the breakout, the price line has rallied beyond that target. And so far from this low to this high, it has rallied almost 376%. Recently, you can see that after this rally, the price has found another quite long-term resistance here. That is at $72,756. And at the same time, it has also found a quite long-term support zone here. That starts from $64,780 and goes to $60,365. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then here you can see whenever it is moving inside this support zone, then we are watching very, very nice bounces. Like we had a bounce here, we had another bounce here, another bounce here. And now recently it is again dropped down at this support zone. At the same time, it has also formed this symmetrical triangle as well. We have a down trend line resistance and an up trend line support. And the movement is now getting squeezed. Therefore, soon it can break this pattern as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you some chain analysis as well. You can see that the supply of Bitcoins on the exchanges is getting decreased. This is exchange inflow, the Bitcoin supply to the exchanges from the different wallets. And you can see that in the last 30 days, we had the highest amount in the single day that was transferred to the exchanges was 63,000 Bitcoins in a single day. And now this amount is getting decreased. Therefore, the supply is getting decreased. Therefore, it will be difficult for the price of Bitcoin to break down the support zone until or unless there will be more supply moved to the exchanges. And we will also watch this chain analysis as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I will also share the link for the trading signals report for the previous month of March 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for PolyX, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can watch when I shared this signal. For example, in this case, I shared this signal a few days ago on 30th of March 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm going to do here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let me take you to the live chart of Bitcoin, and let me show you first this daily time frame chart. Here we have two very significant support zones. One starts from $64,780 and goes to $60,365. In case of breaking down this support zone, the next support zone will be here. That starts from $53,000 and goes to $48,325. And in case of breaking down this support zone, I'm expecting a quite long-term downtrend, or at least a quite long-term sideways move. Therefore, we need to keep an eye on this support zone. It will be very, very significant. However, so far so good. The price line did not break down this support zone and did not break down this symmetrical triangle as well. And this symmetrical triangle is also a continuation pattern. Therefore, there are more chances for the breakout rather than breaking down. At the same time, if we take a look at the Bitcoin exchange inflow on this on-chain analysis on CryptoQuant, then you can see that the supply of Bitcoins is getting decreased to the exchanges. It was increased here in the last 30 days. We had the highest value that was almost more than 63,000 Bitcoins. And now, yesterday, we had 25,224 Bitcoins. Before that, we had here 22,000 Bitcoins. And now today, so far, we had almost 10,596 Bitcoins. If this supply will be increased, at least up to 63,000 Bitcoins like we had here in the last 30 days on 18th of March, then there will be a very high probability that the price may break down this support zone and drops down to the next support zone. Now, if we take a look at the target in case of breaking down this triangle, the target to the downside will be here. That will be approximately at $49,800 inside this support zone. And in case of breaking out this triangle, the next target to the upside will be here. That will be approximately at $85,700. And in that case, the price end will also break out this very long-term resistance, very strong resistance. You can see for the past several days, it is breaking at a very, very strong resistance. We got stable ejections that is here at $72,756. And this resistance will be flipped into very, very strong support. And this rally to the upside or bull run will be continued for the long term. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.